What's going on, everyone? Lullet here. Today, we got What's in My Wallet for November 2020. If you're new to the channel, welcome. We talk about stocks, credit, and personal finance in general, and I beatbox as well. But with that, let's get straight into it. To start us off, the wallet I'm using is made by another YouTuber known as the Techlead, and it looks like this. It's been a pretty good wallet. I've been using it for around gosh knows. There was a version 1 and there was a version 2. The version 1 is gray, and this is the version 2 in this blue color over here. But it's been a pretty good wallet. Let's get into the cards. First on the list is the Chase Sapphire Reserve. You have 3x on both dining as well as travel, and there's actually a temporary benefit where you get 3x on grocery spend up to $1,000 per month up till April 2021. And that's a really cool perk. But second on our list is the American Express Gold Card. And with the American Express Gold Card earning 4x on both dining and groceries, it kind of outweighs what I'm earning with the Chase Sapphire Reserve. But the reason why it's in my wallet is also because of the sweet Chase offers. And more importantly, I do like diversity of points when I am dining out. Sometimes I'm that guy who gives both my CSR as well as my Amex Gold to get that diversity of points when dining out in terms of 3x for ultimate rewards and 4x for membership reward points. But third on the list is actually, it's 3 cards, and it's because it's 2 Chase Freedom Flexes as well as a Chase Freedom, the OG version. And so the primary reason I keep these cards in my wallet is really for the Chase offers when and if applicable, because this quarter's categories are Walmart as well as PayPal, and you get 5% in terms of that rotating category spend. But for Walmart, I'm not shopping there as much, but with the holidays coming up, that may change a little. But with PayPal, surprisingly, I don't use PayPal as much to either check out or use it as a service. But given this 5% incentive, I have been seeing deals where I was going to make spend anyways. So I was like, might as well use my Chase Freedom Flex. Moving on to some business cards I have in my wallet, but they're targeted for specific category spend. So starting us off, we got the Chase Inc. Cash Card. It's a business card offered by Chase, and the primary reason, again, where I'm using it and it's in my wallet is because you get 2 times ultimate reward points on gas spend. And I don't spend too much on gas, but that being said, you have the Dux Unlimited card, you have other cards with pure gas bonus spend, but in my case, I don't spend that much, and it's good that this perk comes with the Chase Inc. Cash Card. Next, we have the American Express Blue Business Plus credit card. You get 2 times membership reward points up to $50,000 in spend in a calendar year. And it's really cool in terms of not just a return in spend for miscellaneous categories, and it's a good amount of spending limit, but more importantly, you still have the Amex offers. And so with it being my wallet, there's some different offers that come from a business card versus a personal card, so it's really helpful. Moving on, we got the Costco Business Credit Card. It's kind of a niche card if you don't shop at Costco, so I'll keep it super brief. Basically, there's a membership fee for Costco, and it's $60 for the basic membership and $120 for the executive membership. Now, this business card doesn't have an annual fee, and neither does the personal version. But the reason I mention these is because it's kind of like Amazon, where you basically have an annual fee, where Amazon has a credit card as well, which has no annual fee, and it's 5% in terms of the Amazon store card, not the one offered by Chase, but the one offered by Synchrony. But the reason why this matters is you're still paying an annual fee in terms of Prime, if that's $129.99 per year at the time of this recording. And so I just wanted to juxtapose these two situations to kind of give that insight. But overall, I use that for Costco purchases, and it gives you 4% when you combine both having the executive membership as well as having the card. And so 4% effective on Costco is great. But more importantly, Costco only takes Visa. And so they do take Mastercard, but it can only be debit. And so if they take Visa, it can be debit or credit. But Amex, Discover, it's not happening. So I was like, okay, if I'm going to spend money at Costco, might as well get the Costco credit card. And I chose the business one because it doesn't report to your credit. So it was like, I don't maintain a big balance on it. But at the same time, I was like, all right, hassle-free, not my personal credit profile, but still a card, get that cash back, etc., etc. Finally on our list is not a credit card, but a debit card. And it's none other than the Charles Schwab debit card. It's one of my favorite cards for what it's used for, and its superpower is basically you get fee-free withdrawals from ATMs both domestically and internationally. And so it's a crazy perk, and as a debit card, it has no foreign transaction fees. And I have enough credit cards that give you that no foreign transaction fees, but in general, Charles Schwab, in terms of customer service, if anything happens, they're there for you. And so it's in my wallet. It's a Roni Rona time. I'm not really taking cash at the ATMs, but I still keep it because if anything comes up and I don't have my local bank's ATM, at least this way I won't get that fee from the ATM. We're wrapping this up with the debit card, so feel free to check out my thoughts on debit versus credit above. But with that, thank you so much for coming to the end. Like, share, subscribe, you know how it is. But with that, I'll see you very soon. Okay. Peace.